Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to skip a test case by using unit test in Python framework. Okay, why we required skipping basically. See now you in your application example there are 25 test cases presented. Okay, 25 test cases and these 25 test cases you have 5 test cases need to skip. Why we need to skip? Because of functionality not completed. Means functionality is not developed completely. Then what you need to do? You need to write some dummy code. Means dummy code you need to write code you need to execute. But you need to skip that particular test case. And also we can able to skip by using without any reason without any reason providing, and we can able to do some with a reason we can able to skip, and we can able to some condition. By using some condition we can able to skip our test case. How we can able to skip now? See now we can able to I can able to provide here some name like A and skipping. Okay, now I can go ahead for creating some other test cases. Okay, now I have 4 different kind of test cases. Okay, now I have 4 different, and I can able to test skip, and I can able to make it for test B, test C, test D. I have these 4 test cases now. If I run my test case, it will execute for all the tests. But I have to skip my first test case. How we can able to? And we have the conditions I told you, right? Without any reason we can able to skip, and with reason with condition. We'll see for 3 conditions now. Before that, I will run this particular test case. Then whether we are able to get for this particular 5 things for skipping test. Yeah, now skip test skipping and BCD. Okay, we are able to get for confusion, right? Now I can able to test. Yeah, we are able to get it for 4 test cases. Now I want to skip for my first test case without any reason. How we can able to? Means we have annotation at the rate unit test dot skip test. This skip test is basically it will skip that particular test case without any providing information. Can you able to see? Wait, it is taking more time. Shit. My system is stuck. Now you can able to see only we have test B, C, D, but we don't have A. It ran only for 3 test cases, right? Now we can able to skip by using some reason providing at the rate unit test dot skip. Okay, in this skip method, what will happen? It will take some uh, information. Even you can able to see if you mouse over, it will fetch the documentation and it will ask you for some reason and condition. The reason skip method it will take for. If you click this is also and it will open for browser and you can able to provide for complete information about that. Even you can able to declare for the reason. You open the browser because I clicked that one. Before loading we can able to see something reason we can able to provide uh, skipping test. Sorry, it is a string format. Yeah. Now if I am providing like this, what will happen? This also it will skip by using some information. Now you can able to see skipped is one, but there are two test cases. Okay, and also we have some condition. If there's some condition place, we can able to skip our test case. Unit test dot skip if. Skip if basically it will take some condition. What condition you need to execute? You can able to say there is a condition and there is a reason why we need to skip for that particular one. Even you can able to use for one equal to one with both the cases. In real time, it is basically what will happen. Uh, in real time, you can able to runtime some value is presented somewhere, and you can able to send that particular value and here to validate. That also you can able to do. Condition skip and C also will skip and only for D it will execute, but it will execute, but it will give you like one output, remaining two is skipped. Like that it will provide. Okay, this is a format we can able to skip our test case and without fail our existing test cases. Means skipping is basically the functionality is not working or something is failing or some module is not developed, but we need to write some dummy code and we need to execute, but it should not be show like a fail conditions. You can just skip the test case and do for remaining operation. That moment we can able to use our skipping concept. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand this one. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.